We are from a Bont primary school
in the Vale of Glamorgan.
We thought about what we are good at.
Craft, working with children,
Being organised.
and we all decided that after COVID we wanted to make people happy! So we designed a service called Wondrous, Welsh, Wonderlands Workshops!
We wanted all 230 children in our school to benefit from the service.
And they did!
Nursery right through to year 5. We all looked online to get inspiration from other businesses.
Led to our first service, our Winter Wonderland Workshops! We were very creative, writing scripts and designing props.
To keep everyone COVID safe, we used the great outdoors.
Nothing like this has ever happened before, and everyone loved it! Our next service was based on wonderful whales. Is that a dragon?
We used Google Sites to make a website to give lots of exciting information.
Ooh, a show! We also spoke to each class and sent emails out with the help of our school business manager. We only charged £2.50 for our amazing workshops, and for our wonderful whales, we gave half our profit to Ukraine.
We really developed our
Communication skills!
by supporting the younger children. We had to think on our feet and solve problems, such as the younger children
Not listening to us! Shock! Horror!
Next service is our
Amazing duck race!
We asked local companies to sponsor our ducks. So far we have raised
£400!
in corporate sponsorship.
Quack, quack! And we got advice from Sean, a local entrepreneur. Woof, woof!
How about you come and